students, welcome back to Science Online class. I hope you all are absolutely fine. Dear students, in the last class we have completed your chapter solar system, that is sun, planets and the stars. Dear students, in today's class just let's recall all those things what we have learned in the last 3 classes. On the basis of that itself, today we are going to solve some worksheets which will be helpful for you for the examination. Okay dear students, so let's recall what we have learned in this lesson. Okay, so we have learned in this lesson the solar system, the sun, planets, the stars and the satellites. Yes, here as you know that we have a beautiful earth. Okay, we are living on the earth. So dear students, earth is one of the member of the solar system. In the universe, or you can say in the solar systems, planets and the subplanets are there. Yes, so here we have a sun, is it? We have a sun. So dear students, in the solar system, sun is the big star and the family forms the planets and the sub planets. These are combining together and form a family of solar system, is it? So the sun and its family forms as a solar system. Let's see what are the name of these family members. Okay, so before going to the name of the family members, just let's recall what do you mean by the solar system. So the family of the sun consists of total how many planets? Totally 8 planets, and with that the satellites of these plants and the piece of rocks and the dust, this all together form as a solar system, is it? Next is the, when we are talking about the sun, so dear students, sun is not a planet, sun is the big star. Yes, the sun is the big star and it is nearest star to the earth. Okay, so that's why it is possible to see the sun by standing onto the earth itself, because it is the nearest star to the earth in the solar system. And this sun is the huge ball of the hot gases. Which type of gases? Hot gases. It's like a fire balloon, is it? This is the huge ball of a hot gases. And sun is the only body in the solar system with its own heat and light, is it? So dear students, how the planet is getting the light? From the sun. But for the sun, who is giving the light? No one giving the light, because the sun is itself forms a own heat and the light. So this you must to know, that is sun is the only body in the solar system with its own heat and light. Okay, and here we have some facts about the planets. Okay, so dear students, according to their distance from the sun, totally 8 planets are there. So just let's recall what are those the planets. First one is the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and the Neptune. Here now totally 8 planets are there according to the distance from the sun. Okay, so how we can remember the name of these planets? We have one sentence, just recall that. What is that sentence? It is, that is, my very excited mama just sold us 9 pizzas. So here each and every single word of this sentence is giving you the name of the planets. Okay, so M is indicating Mercury, V is the Venus, E is the Earth, M is the Mars, J is the Jupiter, S is the Saturn, U is the Uranus, N is the Neptune, P is the Pluto. So these are all are the names which are family members of the solar system. is it? And all these planets, okay, these planets are revolving around the sun. These planets are revolving around the sun in a circular path which is called as the orbit, okay. All planets revolve around the sun in a fixed path called as a orbit, okay. So how they are revolving? They are revolving around the circular path. The planets have no light of their own, as I told you. So how the earth is getting light? By the sun. So planets get heat and light from the sun, because the sun have its own light, it have its own energy, is it? So here some facts you must to know, that is, which is the closest planet to the sun. So these are the planets. So which is the first, or you can say which is the closest planets to the sun? That is, first one is the Mercury, and which is the farthest planets to the sun? That is the Neptune, is it? So which is the nearest? Mercury. Which is the farthest? Neptune. Next is the, which is the largest planet? That is the Jupiter. And which is the smallest planet? It is the Mercury, which forms a beautiful rings, that is the Saturn, okay. These are the important facts about the solar system. Okay, so with that we have just learned about the stars. Stars are the balls of hot burning gases, and stars have their own heat and light. And with that we have just discussed about the constellation. What do you mean by the constellation? A group of a star. How it forms? When the group of stars appears once in a together, okay, a group of stars which appears to form a pattern in the sky. Totally how many stars are there in this? Totally 7 stars are there. So it forms as a constellation, okay, or also called as a Saptarishi. So let's count how many stars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally 7 stars are there in the constellation. So this is the important fact about the constellation, that how many members are there in the constellation? Totally 7 members, okay. So here after that we have just learned about the satellites. So satellites are heavenly bodies that revolve around the planet. So moon is revolving around the earth. Similarly, the earth is always revolving around the sun. So these are all facts about the satellites, okay. So this is the moon, where the moon is revolving around the earth, okay. Moon is revolving around the earth. Dear students, according to the revision concept, you have to be solve some worksheet. So these all are the planets of solar system: Venus, Neptune, Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury, Uranus, okay. So by looking to these images, you have to be write the name of the planets in the solar system. I hope you will get to know. So just try to solve it. Let's see how many of you are going to solve this worksheet. Okay, so let's meet in the next class. Till the next class, just solve this worksheet. Later on we will going to continue in the school. Thank you dear students. Have a good day. Bye bye.